G'day, Seemyshell here, the Aussie Geocacher. Today I am in Mesa. I call it Mesa, some people call it Meza. What am I doing here? Well, there's a couple, not one, but two different geotours. This one here is an autism geotour. You go around to beautiful locations. Oh man, it is absolutely gorgeous and stunning. I mean, have a look at this view. Except for, I found a TikToker. What's it? What?
Hi.
What?
Hi.
What are you, Mr. TikToker? Hang on, he's got to finish his dance first.
I'm a TikToker now. That's what you do. You do dances. So I find geocaches and then I do TikTok dances. That's my new thing.
And how's that going for you?
The geocaching, great. The dancing, not so great.
Who is this guy? Of course you know, everyone knows this guy more than anyone else in the geocaching community. Josh, the geocaching vlogger, welcome buddy.
Hi.
Can we do this tour together?
Why not?
Why not?
I've been so lonely.
You know me, I'm very short on words. You like my B-roll? Let's go!
Let's go! Oh my gosh, Craig!
What?
Craig, over there, club players.
Where?
They're standing right by the door.
No.
Yes, they are. Never mind. They're just mannequins. I'm going to send you into a dream sequence. Ready?
Ready.
Yes! Yes! I escaped. Rocks?
What are you doing, Joshua?
Munsey. I mean, why not? We're just walking along a trail. We're getting fresh air, finding geocaches, but why not stop on a light pole from time to time? Right? Right. Seemyshell.